guess you want to learn to script and you have zero knowledge about scripting, then this series is perfect for you. In this series I will show you everything you need to know about scripting. So for you that have never used Roblox Studio before, this is Roblox Studio, and if you haven't downloaded it, I will leave a link to it in the description. Click on New, and all of these are templates that you can choose to use for your game, but for this series I will choose the normal base plate. So click on it, it will load up this window, and maybe for some of you the Explorer, Properties and Output are not showing. Then you need to go to View and click on Explorer, Properties and Output, because these are necessary things for us to have when we script. So the Explorer, inside here you will see it's like folders with everything inside. So inside workspace, the workspace is everything we see. So we have a base plate and a spawn location, and the rest of these things I will talk about in a later video. The properties is for you to edit all the properties of the different parts. So I can edit the properties of the spawn location or the base plate. And properties is essentially the things we use when we script. So when we script, we make a script or code that change some properties. So maybe it change as size, or maybe color or something. The output is if we print something or we get an error or anything like that. It's used to debug mostly, so that's what the output is for. So now we can script. So click on this plus icon next to workspace and then click on script. So inside the script we can see a bit of code, and what this code is print and hello world. So print is a function where it takes a text or a string or a number and prints it in the output. So if we have hello world, we can, when we click play over here, we will see hello world down here. Congratulations, you made your first script. And this is a string, and a string is a text. So for example, if you put something inside of two quotation marks, if you type something inside this, then it's a string, a text. So we can type a number, but it's in string form. That means that we cannot apply math on it, for example. But if we type without quotation marks, we can then apply math to it. So here we have 20 plus 10, and in the output we will get 30. And for demonstration purpose, I will now show you what happens if we try to do something like this. It will then just type out 20 plus 10 and not 30. And if this is your first time using Roblox Studio I will now show you how you can save this game. You save it by clicking on File and Save to Roblox. Just like that. And then you can name your game to whatever you want. Scripting basics. And add a description if you want. You can add that later. And then you click save. So I hope you liked this video, and this is just the first part of the series, and we will learn much more. So if you want to see more of this series, click the thumbs up button, subscribe and hit the bell, because the bell will, if you don't subscribe and hit the bell, you will not get notified, and then you don't know when I upload the next part. If you want to see another of my videos, there is one on the screen right now, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.